journeys aren't about going far. They're about finding yourself again. Welcome to Courtyard Valley Homestay. Mornings begin with misty hills, and days breathe through endless coffee plantations. A traveler came here searching for silence, for rest, for a pause from the busy world. What he found was unexpected. A young boy, running freely, laughing, living every moment. In his hands was a small book, a story he had written, The Missing Son. Curious, the traveler began reading, while the boy showed him a different kind of world. Walking through fresh coffee estates. Listening to flowing water streams. Watching birds dance across open valley skis. They played, they cycled through winding paths, they discovered joy in the simplest moments. As the sun set behind the hills, the traveler finished the book, and he understood something beautiful. Maybe the sun is never really missing. Sometimes we just forget where to look. It lives in nature, in laughter, in peace, in moments shared with people who feel like home. It lives in the quiet forest trails, where every step feels closer to yourself, in the endless coffee plantations, where the air smells fresh and time slows down, in the calm lakes, where the water reflects skis and memories together. hidden streams, flowing gently through untouched green valleys. It lives in small adventures. Cycling through misty roads, feeling the cool breeze, laughing without reason, and sometimes it lives in the simple joy of exploring like a child again. As the journey came to an end, the traveler rode one last time through the valley, cycling beside the boy, through trees, through light, through laughter. And in that moment, he didn't just visit a place. He found a feeling, a memory, a little sunshine to carry back home. Courtyard Valley Homestay, not just a stay, a story you live.